Hi, I'm Julie. I'm the founder of English with Purpose, and I'd like to welcome you to Communication Vacation. Communication Vacation is a one-day public speaking and presentation skills workshop retreat right here at our farmette in Frederick County, Maryland. If you are an international professional working in English as your target language, more front-facing in your company, or you have ambitions to be promoted, or just want to feel more confident and less anxious, this is the program for you. What makes this experience different? There are no boring conference rooms here. Just a beautiful farm setting where you're going to work really hard, balanced with time in nature and a small group of people who are in the exact same situation that you are. Here, you'll find your people, everybody working on the same skill. At the end of the day, you'll leave with renewed confidence in your ability to present and engage with any audience about any topic in English. You'll also gain practical strategies for nailing your next presentation, and you'll also leave with an action plan for what to do if you have other language-based challenges that are getting in the way of you being the best possible public speaker that you can be in English. You can take advantage of the farm, do anything you want to recharge, do yoga outside, take a walk on our country road. You'll make new connections, have an opportunity to network, and hopefully go home with some new friends. We look forward to seeing you here at Communication Vacation.